So let me just go around and make a quick edit right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around over here, add in, let's say for example, some frames as well. So let's just go around, add in some frame right here. And let's say I want to go ahead and save this out. In that case, you can go around and export this out as JPG format. Let me just go around and make some changes and adjustment to the light effect as well. So let's just go around and change around. Let's say, for example, the highlights right here, just like this, and decrease this around and then increase up the shadows. Let's say, for example, work around with the exposure right here, and I make some changes right here, just like this, as you can see right here. Then I'm going to work around with the color right here, change around the temperature, let's say for example, and there you go. I got my details right here. So let's just go around, reduce out the luminance noise right here, and reduce out the color noise around over here as well, make it much more smoother. And then I'm going to go around and then let's say for example, work around with these. So let's just go around over here and then change around the sharpening as well. So this is what I have, as you can see. And let's say I want to save this out. In that case, you can go around onto save and share option right here, and then you can go around onto the save section right here. So once you go around onto save, let me just go around and choose my desktop right here. JPG is the only option that you have. But if I were to go around over here onto preferences, then you can choose the quality of the JPG that you want to use while you're actually saving right here. So let me just go around back right here and then go to save right here, because the JPG is in high quality itself. So let's just go around onto my desktop right here and then hit the save button right here, just like this. So once I do that, this is the image, as you can see right here. So let's just go around over here and open this up with photos right here, just like this. And this is the image that you have, that I have saved from Adobe Photoshop Express. So that is how you can go around and save out your photos that you edit inside of Adobe Photoshop Express. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.